In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Hubspot. This is a straightforward yet essential task to ensure that your account remains secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Logging out correctly can protect your sensitive information and give you peace of mind. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Hubspot website. If you aren't already logged in, simply enter your credentials as necessary. Most of you should already be familiar with these steps, and if you're already logged in, you're in exactly the right place to follow along. Moving forward, direct your attention to the top right hand corner of your screen. Here you should see your profile picture or your initials displayed depending on whether you've uploaded an image to your profile. Click on this icon and a drop down menu will instantly appear. This menu contains various options that facilitate managing your account and settings. It's home to a variety of features, but today we're interested in one particular option within this menu. As you scan the list, you should find the logout button conveniently located towards the bottom. It's generally easy to spot, but feel free to scroll down if it's not immediately visible. Once you have located the logout button, simply click on it. This action will swiftly log you out of your Hubspot account. It's worth noting that after logging out, you'll be brought back to the Hubspot login page. This confirms that you have successfully logged out. If you have more accounts to manage or need to log back in for any reason, you can easily do so from this page. Remember, logging out is a good habit for maintaining security, particularly when accessing your account on any device that isn't exclusively yours. It keeps your data protected and minimizes any potential risk of unauthorized access. And there you have it, you've successfully logged out of HubSpot in just a few simple steps. This process is not only crucial for keeping your information secure, but is also a good habit to develop in your daily routine of using digital tools and platforms. Feel free to revisit any of these instructions whenever you need a quick refresher on the logout process. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video helped you gain confidence in managing your HubSpot account. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.